One of the things that I love the most about the newer Jeeps is this large infotainment system. Now that is until you get some sun or reflection on it. You are also very likely to have a lot of fingerprints. So in today's video, we are going to be testing this Coleya anti-glare screen protector, and we're going to see if this helps cut down on some of the reflection as well as some of the fingerprints. So with that in mind, let's get started. All right, so today we're going to be doing this tempered glass protective film by Coleya, which is an anti-glare screen protector. Got this on Amazon. You'll see the link in the description. It's a fairly inexpensive piece of protection for the screen that we have. What it's going to be helping us reduce again is this is a matte finish protective film, with a tempered glass. So it will reduce some of the glare. It is also going to reduce some of the fingerprints that we see usually on our screens. And honestly, it gives us a little bit of cheap protection for this very expensive screen. First, let's see what's in the box. All right, so we see here, we have a thank you for your purchase from Amazon. Instructions for the installation kit. And then lastly, we have the actual screen protector. One of the things that I'm going to do first before I install this is we're going to make sure that the screen is as clean as possible. So I'm going to be cleaning the screen, getting rid of every fingerprint that I can see here, because obviously this gets a lot of use, so we get a lot of fingerprints on it. Next thing we're going to be doing is opening the installation kit that it comes with. It also comes with a cleaning wipe again, and this other cleaning rag. Now the instructions that you're going to see here seem to be more for like a Tesla, actually, for the screen that's in the armrest for a Tesla, just from the way that it looks. I don't think it really matters that much, but I just wanted to call that out. Now, I guess what they want you to do is, whenever we get to that point, not yet, would be to peel this off, kind of stick it in here so you can hold the screen in place exactly where you need it to be. And then you can peel this other part and then kind of flip it backwards and it'll stay in there. So, all right, first thing we're going to do now is clean the screen with the special cleaning solution that comes with it, or this special rag. All right, now it's very clean. Next, what they want is to peel this off so we can use it as a sticker and hold this in place for us. So we want to make sure that it's very well aligned before I do that. So right there seems like a good spot. So now what we're going to do is we're going to flip this forward. There we go. We're going to flip the screen and we're going to peel off this protective layer, just like that. And now we're going to very slowly push this back. There we go. And then I'm going to be doing this. You can kind of see it actually start sticking together, so that's kind of cool. To see if I see any bubbles, I'm going to try to push them out. There's that. All right, and now I am going to peel this thing off. All right. That's really it for the installation. Now it does look, obviously this is a matte finish, you can tell that right away. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the Jeep on and see if we see any difference in glare or anything else. All right, so now time for our first impression. So overall, I think this is a pretty good investment. I'm wearing polarized sunglasses, and one thing I did notice is the colors change slightly on the screen because of the sunglasses. So if you're wearing polarized sunglasses, you might see some of that impact. That's different than tinted glasses. They actually work a little bit differently. So you probably may not see this if you're wearing tinted glasses, but polarized, you might have a little bit of some of that impact. When it comes to the touchscreen, everything works as it should. So there's no delay, or I don't have to, you know, keep tapping or anything else. Everything's working the same as if I would not have the screen protector. As far as the actual, so to speak, you know, clarity of the screen, it's a very, very small reduction in clarity. I don't think, to be honest, it's even that noticeable. You can tell because if you see it before and after, there is a little bit of a difference. However, there's no impact. There's no real, you know, loss of pixels, if you would, by putting this on. I think overall, to be honest, I would recommend this product. This is a very expensive screen, and this very inexpensive screen protector can kind of hopefully, you know, elongate the life of the screen. Again, there is no reduction in sensitivity of the screen, so I think that's a great thing. And I think for the price, this is definitely worth the investment. So again, if you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers this year, and you can make the big difference. I am going to have a link to this product in the description of the video. So again, that way you can find exactly the product that I am using. So overall, greatly recommend this product. And this is Trail Ready Garage signing off. Goodbye.